Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very quick and easy way to make paper roses out of cardstock. So let's get started. You are going to need a glue gun, glue sticks, a quilling tool, and spiral roses made from cardstock. I found this spiral rose template online and I uploaded it to Cricut Design Space, and I made several of them and I sized them to about 3¼ inches, and I put about 9 on one sheet of 12 by 12 cardstock. Alright, what I do is I take the end piece and I put it inside the slit of the quilling tool, and then I will start to very slowly rotate it and start making the flower, but you'll want to keep a finger above and below where the paper is, because it's going to get a little wonky on you, and you want to make sure that you keep it lined up the whole way, otherwise it's going to start to overlap. The first couple are going to be kind of awkward, but then you'll probably, like me, get into a rhythm and you can start doing these a lot faster than the first few. Once I get to a certain point and it starts acting up, the end wants to start curling around, I'll just take it off the tool, and by hand I will continue winding it, just making sure that the bottom lines up. And once I've got it all lined up and all coiled, I will take my hot glue gun and very carefully put a dab all around the middle and close to the sides, and then I will fold down the flap that's at the very end. I'll use a tool so that way I don't burn my fingers. I've done that one too many times. I'll let that cool for just a few seconds, and then I'll turn over my rose, and then you can see how pretty that is. Now once it's cooled, you can put it down on a table or do it in your hand. I'll just push down the petals a little bit so it kind of spreads out. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Like and subscribe and you'll see my other videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day.